Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. Today is going to be one of those let's just give it a go type of thing. I have a lot of leftover paints, lots of leftover paints, and unfortunately I have a lot of different white. I have some that is just Artist Loft mixed with Floetrol and water. I have some Artist Loft mixed with the satin enamel. I have some house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. I actually have house paint with enamel. But my problem is there's just little bits of each, and I'm not sure which bottle holds what. Yes, I'm terrible at keeping track of stuff. I get distracted way too easily. So today I am going to try and use up all these little leftover pieces or bits of white. I'm going to get rid of some of my leftover bits of other paints and just throw them on a canvas and see what happens, you know? Sounds like fun to me. And shall we get to work? And there you have it. Leftover paint turns beautiful. Like I said, I had no clue what was mixed with the white. All I knew was white paint. It could have been Artist Loft. It could have been house paint. I know there was the satin enamel mixed in there. I didn't know proportions. I didn't know what I had mixed in which bottle. All I knew it was white paint. So I figured it was about time to get rid of it and start fresh. And that's what happened. The leftover blues turned out beautiful. No terrible reactions or anything. I think this turned out just absolutely stunning. I really like it. And I hope you enjoyed, and that you got that, just a little bit of inspiration. And if you did, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to let you know the next time. I do try to do these 2 or 3 times a week, and I hope you leave me a comment. Tell me, what you would like me to do. There is so many different techniques and crafts out there, and I really appreciate you guys spending this 5-10 minutes with me. I really do, and I hope you have a wonderful week, and I promise I will see you soon.